Today we are planning to discuss about object detection and how we can, object detection is one of the core problems in computer vision, right? So how we can optimize these resource intensive systems for very resource constrained edge devices. So we can divide the talk into three sections. So in the first section, we will start off with a introductory demo video, and then we will define the task of object detection. What is the problem? What we do in object detection, and then what are the challenges in object detection? So if we compare with image classification system, what are the differences and the challenges object detection has, and how object detection is an older topic, right? Started with like 1990s. So how this field of research has evolved over time, and we will show a very simple scenario of object detector. And in the second section, we can call it like a deep dive. So we will go with some of the most famous and popular object detectors in the literature, from RNNs to SSD, single stage to transformer. And then in the third section, we will switch back to edge applications. So what are the type of optimization we will need to make? What are the consideration and challenges for existing object detectors to deploy them for edge devices?